Biomedical waste. What is biomedical wastage? It's a wastage of used medical items like nowadays mask, PPT kits also. Nowadays we are increasing the usage of mask but don't know what to do after using it, where to throw or how to recycle it. We just use and increasing this medical waste, but we can manage this waste and save our nature. Hi guys, I am Shiva and today I am going to talk about the biomedical crisis and what are the causes and how to handle it. Before we start the video, please subscribe to my channel and keep supporting. At present, there is a poor segregation of biomedical waste and other general solid waste. As a result, biomedical waste such as masks, gloves, PPE kits, etc. is being mixed into normal waste and is ending up in landfills and open dump yards. And this is not good. This is affecting the health and garbage handling working and also affecting the environment. At present, nearly approximately 40 lakh garbage pickers in India. Due to increase in biomedical waste during the COVID pandemic, almost all are susceptible to health risks. As per World Health Organization, dumping medical waste into the open dump yards can release drug-resistant microorganisms. As per the Central Pollution Control Board, 616 tons of waste was being generated per day in 2019. Now, as per 2021, it is estimated that 146 tons of additional biomedical waste due to COVID diagnosis, testing and treatment etc. is being added every day. And now what should we do and how to handle these biomedical waste? Rules on the segregation of biomedical waste from normal solid waste should be implemented strictly with the hefty fines. For this, widespread awareness program should be conducted for common people on disposing of biomedical waste such as gloves, masks, etc. As per CPCB, masks and gloves should be cut into pieces to prevent misuse and then the waste should be kept separately for 72 hours before giving it to municipal workers in a separate bag. At present, biomedical waste treatment facilities in India can handle 840 tons of medical waste daily. This capacity should be increased and also they should be monitored well. And in general, more investment and human resources should be brought into handling biomedical waste. And by these medical waste, we can produce electricity also by greener options such as biomethanization, converting biomedical waste into electricity. To destruct biomedical waste should be explored and implemented at a large scale. At present, most of the biomedical waste is incinerated, means destruction by burning. And sanitization workers should be provided with protective equipment, regular checks at diagnosis centers and hospital on disposing of biomedical waste can help in the effective implementation of rules. As a responsible citizens of India, we should do something by reducing the biomedical waste generation as much as possible. We should start using cloth masks, reusable gloves, etc. This step will be helpful in reducing the burden of destruction of the biomedical waste. And more investment and more human resources are needed to handle the increasing of biomedical waste. And effective management of biomedical waste is very essential to ensure a cleaner environment and a healthy human. And we all know that Taukte cyclone hit the South India. In this cyclone, so much of plastic waste and masks are returning to the beaches, which are thrown into the sea. The nature just returning what humans have gave it to the nature. So we should use plastic waste in effective management and keep environment clean and healthy. In this video, I just wanted to say that keep environment clean and healthy. It will also keep our health healthy. Nature is like our mother and it always gave us what we wanted without asking it. So keep it clean by segregation of biomedical waste and plastic waste and a good management of these waste. And this is the video I have made on biomedical crisis and what are the causes of it and how to handle it. I will soon come up with another good content video. Until then, keep supporting me and please subscribe to my channel.